These machines are designed to produce ceiling T-bar. Our production lines adopt mold steel-made rollers, Yaskawa servo feeders, touchscreen with English translation, high-quality hydraulic system, etc. Our machines are easy to use, and less maintenance required. 2 units of 1,000 kilograms passive dual-head decoilers. The decoilers are for uncoiling the raw materials, coils, and supplying the raw materials PPGI and GI coil strips. They are passive type and need to manually load the coils. The machine frame of main roll forming machine in made by 20 mm thickness base panel, 6 mm side panel, 45 pound steel, hole welding. The roller station have 18 sets, 2 sets of rollers for alignment. The thickness of the roller is 38 mm thickness, it NSK6206, gears, surface blackened treatment. The roller material is CR12 mold steel, vacuum heated, average hardness HRC55, no scratches. The punching system is integrated type, 20 mm main panel, 6 mm side panel, fine milled. The punching type is all punching at once type, no stopping. The motor is 7.5 kilowatts all copper wire motor, wool block fine grinded. The production speed of T-bar ceiling making machine can reach 30 meters per minute. These machines are equipped with fully automatic production, high precision roll forming structure, one-time punching and cutting mechanism, fast production speed. All these make them the first choice for manufacturing plants, metal ceiling factories, interior design companies, etc. Welcome to choose KINGREAL.